Hi, hey guys. So today we are back with a Christian channel, lovely Christian channel, and this is volcano puffy, and this is amazing puffy, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so this is the slime, guys. Okay, this is the slime. This is you can poke it, but it's not. Look, when you stretch it, it doesn't work. So we're gonna put that back. We'll play with it later after the video. So. I did not afford it. It was the PC. I just close this real quick. Okay, that's closed. Now next one. And this is amazing puffy. Just going to open this. And this one's not so pokey. It's like so hard. Let me show you guys. See? Do you see like the glitter in that? Like the blue glitter? Yeah. And look, this one stretches a lot. Look at that. Oh. Okay. So you hope you like this. Because this is the best stretchy puffy you ever see. I mean stretchy. Okay, so you see this? Did you see that? When I stretched it, look what happens. Look. It bends apart. Okay. That freaks me out. Okay, let's just put that back. Okay, we're gonna look at this one more time. And then that's the end of the video. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's like a red kind of thing. That's what it looks like. And I'm just greasing it. This one feels a lot softer. Like a lot softer. It feels like it's kind of wet. So guys, make sure to subscribe down below and leave a subscribe button right there and leave a link below the subscription, and make sure to do a thumbs up. So bye. Welcome to Christian Lovely. Make sure to subscribe to come to my other videos I'm gonna make. Play-Doh, some slime, sticky slime, toys, food challenge, any of them. Just make sure to comment down below on the subscription. And I promise you guys, I'll make more. Like the slime, but like a puffy slime, I'll make it. If my mom buys it. She's holding the camera. She better buy it, because if she does, I can make videos for you guys. I'm just kidding. So bye.